How to delete watch history in TikTok. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your watch history in TikTok. First of all, you need to open your TikTok app. Once you're on TikTok, click on profile on bottom right corner of the screen. Then you need to click on these three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Here you need to click on settings and privacy. Now in content and display section, you will see an option of activity center. Click on it. Once you're on Activity Center, here you will see an option of Watch History. Tap on it. Here click on Select and select the video you want to delete. If you want to delete all of your watch history, click on Select All Watch History written in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you need to click on Delete. Delete all watch history from past 180 days. This will delete all your watch history from the past 180 days permanently. They'll continue to keep your watch history data for some time to optimize your experience on TikTok. Click on OK and all watch history has been deleted. This is how you can delete your watch history on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question, please share it in the comment section below. I hope the video helped you out. Please give it thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.